Guilford Docks. Look, there's a drone. There's a drone flying around an orb. There's the orb. Oh no, what happened to the drone? There it goes. Wow. Yeah, this is Guilford Docks. Guilford Docks. Everybody see them at the Guilford Docks. And this lake is so close. Oh, there goes another one. Look. And this is whatever. Tell me what it is. It's not moving, it's just sitting there. You know, I don't know. There's an airplane or another drone. It looks to be like a drone the way those lights are. See if we can zoom in and focus it. I don't know what these things are, but this is the same one I can see from my house. Whatever this thing is. It ain't no planet either, because I can see the planets, but not without a long exposure. My phone, it's too bright down here at the docks to pick up the stars, but trust me, that's no star. My phone wouldn't be able to zoom in that good. Alright, Guilford Docks, live action.